Good morning. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Geronimo, and I'm an engineer at Nova Cars.
And my name is Marianela, and I am also an engineer at Novo Cars. Today, we will present the changes in production, cost, profit margin, and energy usage at Nova Cars between 2019 and 2021.
In 2019, production was about 120,000 units. It increases slightly to around 125,000 units in 2020, despite global challenges. As the chart shows, production rose sharply in 2021, reaching approximately 145,000 units, likely due to recovering demand and improved supply. Fixed costs were around $280 million in 2019 and rose to about $295 million in 2020, mainly due to investments in automation, health and safety upgrades, and capacity modernization. In 2021, fixed costs increased further to approximately 310,000 million, as capital costs were amortized and ongoing maintenance continued. Material costs represented about 53% of total expenses in 2019, climbed to approximately 59% in 2020 due to raw material price increases and shortages, and then fell slightly to around 55% in 2021 after supply renegotiations and improved procurement.
In 2019, the profit margin per vehicle was around $2,800. It dropped sharply to about $2,000 in 2020 due to lower sales volumes and higher material costs. By 2021, margins recovered strongly to roughly $3,200 as sales rebounded and cost control took effect. In 2019, the energy cost index was set at 100. It rose by approximately 50% in 2020 due to inefficiencies and higher utility prices. In 2021, energy costs were reduced with the index falling to around 95, following investment in efficiency improvements. In conclusion, Nova Cars faced a challenging 2020 with reduced production and lower margins, but recovered in 2021 through material cost reductions, increased production, and improved energy efficiency, demonstrating that innovation and cost management were key to our recovery. Thank you for listening. Are there any questions?